All right, guys. Once again, I want to thank you guys for being patient with me. My dad's actually having surgery today, so just appreciate y'all being flexible with how we're going to do our class today. So I will have my phone with me. I will let you guys know if I am going to be available during this time. So as I said, and as you've already seen in the Dropbox under eLearn, is that we got two problems we're going to work with today. And we're going to talk about those a little bit and then let you guys get to work. So these two problems, again, you guys can work through these together, and then when you're completed with them, just upload these back to the Dropbox, okay? So these should go over many of our concepts that we've been working with. And the first problem is going to be utilizing superposition. And the second problem, we're going to be working with source transformation. So I'm going to give you a hint on a couple of these problems here on how to start working with them. So for the first one, we got a 65-volt source on the left and a 10-volt source on the right. And remember, with superposition, we're going to be analyzing the circuit one source at a time. And then for this case, we're actually going to have two parts of the problem because we actually have two sources, and we're going to be looking for the voltage across the 25-ohm resistor. But you guys also know that that's also going to be the voltage across the equivalence, 20 plus 15 in parallel 25. Now be very, very careful with the polarity of that voltage that I'm asking for. So plus minus Vx there. So the answer that you should get at the very end of the problem, when you add together both of the voltage values that you get utilizing superposition, you should get about 19.87 volts. Okay, for the second one, I said I want you to find me the voltage across the 12-ohm resistor, and I said utilize source transformation twice. So I'm going to give you just an introduction, but I'm not going to tell you how to do it. I want you guys to figure this one out on your own. So remember, I said, if we're looking for the voltage across the 12-ohm resistor, we don't want to mess with that one. We want to leave that one alone. So we don't want to do source transformation with this section. But since we can do source transformation with the other portions of the circuit, and since we are not basically manipulating that 12-ohm resistor right there, we can do source transformation as many times as we want. And so I want you guys to think about how we could actually utilize source transformation not once, but twice in order to set this entire circuit up in such a way that we could easily find our final voltage value of 4.78 volts. So again, superposition for the first problem, source transformation for the second. All right. So I'll be checking in with you guys tomorrow, and I'll let you know whether I'm going to be available during that call or not to answer questions. And I'll do my best to be there. I'll definitely be reviewing everybody's work through the Dropbox, and I will see you guys on Thursday. So I hope you guys had a fantastic break. Mine was great. Had a lot of downtime, a lot of uptime. It was cool. And I look forward to continuing the rest of the semester with you guys. So keep doing great things, and I'll see you on Thursday.